wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here again with a tune-up report for Scott in Indiana on a Stryker SR-955HP. Scott, we did the tune alignment on this one, my audio mods, voltage regulator upgrade, cap upgrades, ERF2030 plus MOSFET upgrades. This should be enough to take out White Cloud. This is going to be nicknamed Destroyer of Clouds. I'm just joking if you're watching this, because me and White Cloud and Scott were all friends, but I just had to poke at old White Cloud a little bit there. But let me go ahead and get to it, Scott, and show you what we got here. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. And let me turn my launch radio down. 2 watts all the way down. Plenty low enough for what this radio swings fully. 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. Audio, audio, audio. Touches 50 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. And 115 PEP. Alright, Scott, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Follow and like us on YouTube if you're watching this and you like this content. Bump, bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.